Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to automate orders on CJ Dropshipping. So, to automate orders on CJ Dropshipping, you can follow the following steps. Log in to your CJ Dropshipping account and click My MJ in the top menu. Go to Authorization, then click Authorize Shop to connect your shop to CJ Dropshipping. You can connect your store to platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, and etc. Once you have connected to your shop, go to Products tab and select the products you want to sell. You can import these products in your shop by clicking Import into Shop. Once you have imported your products, you can set up automatic orders by going to Orders, then Automatic Orders. Here you can set up rules for automatic orders based on various criteria such as product quantity, price, and shipping method. You can also set up a automatic tracking updates by going to tracking number and then automatic sync. Here you can connect your shop to CJ dropshipping partners like USPS, FedEx, and DHL, and update your order tracking information automatically. So that's how to automate orders on CJ Dropshipping. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.